God rejected Israel's land, by no means Paul stands as proof. A remnant chosen by His grace, not by the works of human truth. For if it's grace, it can't be earned, and if it's earned, it isn't grace. He keeps a people for His name, preserved by mercy's hidden place. Their stumbling wasn't their defeat, but opened wide salvation's door. Through Israel's loss, the nations came and stirred their hearts to seek Him more. If their rejection brought the word, a hope that spreads from shore to shore, what glory waits when they return, what life will rise forevermore. Oh, the depth of mercy's story, root and branches intertwined, Gentiles grafted in by kindness, Israel held within His mind. Do not boast, but stand in reverence. Grace sustains the living vine. Spare natural branches, neither will He stare the crowd. But kindness holds the humble fast and grafts them in where life is found. A mystery stands before our eyes, a partial hardening for a time, until the fullness of the nations brings Israel's promise into life. For from Him and through Him and to Him are all things. His wisdom none can measure, His judgments none can see. To Him be glory evermore, God who sets the captive free. Oh, look at the mercy story, branches intertwined, Gentiles grafted in by kindness, Israel held within His mind. Do not boast, but stand in reverence. Grace sustains the living.